Hey YouTube, happy Wednesday early morning. It's pretty humid here in the DMV, but it looks like we'll have a great day today later this February 23rd. I just wanted to share with all of you wonderful subscribers a recent find here in my apartment complex. There's someone getting rid of this Sony reel-to-reel tape deck, and I decided to salvage it and make sure it finds a loving home, or it finds its way to someone who's an expert in pro audio equipment. Definitely not me. It is a 3-head tape recorder, model TC-353D. And research on the internet suggests this is from the early 1970s, maybe 1972, 73, 74, Watergate era. It has these nice VU meters, I guess quarter-inch headphone, and then left and right microphones, and then these switches for activating recording. And really, I don't have a use for this. I consider myself allergic to magnetic storage. I never liked cassettes or floppies, especially, all that much. I much prefer solid-state storage. PC cards, CF cards, SD cards, and so on, flash storage, and even battery-backed RAM storage relative to magnetic storage. But I know people do like reel-to-reel tape decks for the purposes of archiving old recordings, possibly, I guess, storage for mainframes and so on. Not this, but other reel-to-reel tape decks, and also for adding effects to music, I'm pretty sure. I guess there's some tape delay or something that people do with these. But anyway, I just want to do a quick demo of this. It's not quite functional, I think, due to some issues with the internal lubrication belts and possibly a capacitor. Oh, before I do that, I'll show a little bit around the edges. It has this nice wood grain finish. And you can see the more information on it. I think the serial number on the inside. It's interesting. I had a little Sony monochrome TV as a kid that was very similar to this. And then line in and line out near where the two-prong cable comes out. Anyway, it's not quite functional. It will rewind somewhat and definitely fast forward, but play and record, as we'll see, don't seem to work. Anyway, so let's flip the on switch. Get the monitor set for tape instead of the source. You can see the VU meter here, which I did see function for a brief moment, so I'm pretty sure that's fine. I'll leave these. I think these are like trigger switches or something going. Anyway, so let's do a quick test here for record or rewind. Yeah, you can see it starts to work. Oh, that's actually quite good. I wonder if the humidity's actually helping. That's incredible. Yeah, before I really had to, use my hands to goose the right reel in order to get the rewinding going, but this seems to be going fine on its own. While it does that, let's look a little bit on the, see if we can look at the place where the tape is going here, where the heads are. I know when I tried playing, I saw a little fork, I don't know what you call it, a little piece of metal swing up to hold the tape in place. I'm pretty sure that's the right way to thread the tape through. I know that's how it was threaded when the tape was originally there. It seems pretty simple. The counter looks like it works fine. Yeah, that seems to be working really nicely. I wonder if the humidity's actually helping. Or maybe just it's warming up or something. Anyway, so here's our issue now. I can switch to stop, and that acts fine. But when I go to play, nothing seems to move. And this is an issue here. And we should see that metal plates come up, which I guess is good. But no playback. Oh, another thing, I looked this up, so it was an entry-level tape deck. Again, the TC-353 had speakers, but this doesn't have speakers. Gotta plug in your headphones over there. Anyway, so I'm pretty sure this just needs hardened grease to be removed. I'm guessing it's probably functional aside from that. Here, I'm going to turn it off and then show you something on here that does work well. That switch also seems to be operating fine. The fast forward mode. This will really kick up when I get it going. Yes, you can see that's working pretty well, I would say. My cat really enjoyed that motion. Yeah, that's the problem though. When I try playing, I just hear this whirring. I'm sure an expert could figure this out. I am trying to sell this, so if you're an audiophile, especially one in the DMV area, feel free to email me and then we can set up a time to take a look at this. And, you know, if you're interested in repairing it, I would guess it wouldn't take much to get this going. Anyway, so that's all you get while it's playing, just this whirring sound. And then I'll stop. I guess it's bringing back down that plate. And rewind, I guess, is working quite nicely now. That's impressive. A friend of mine said with these, you might just need to play with it a bit and, you know, make sure the grease and belts are loosened up. It looks like it was stored pretty well, but again, I want to make sure this goes to the home of someone who can truly appreciate it and, you know, use it for backing up, digitizing their tape archives. Anyway, I hope you have a great rest of your week, and thanks for spending, let's see this, 7 minutes and 45 seconds of your time watching me play with this tape deck. Like and subscribe as always, and if you have thoughts about this, leave your comments down below. Take care, everybody.